stock yung IE.
Walk slowly west. Walk slowly west.
Clear comms, clear comms.
Walk slowly west. Walk slowly west. Clear comms. Hold. Hold. I said hold. Don't go anywhere.
Stock na lang IE.
Come notice nga. Di umaandar papunta sa atin.
Ay, matras.
May brawl club ata itong manifest. May nakita ang Dreadstorm.
Okay, come west now. Walk slowly west. Walk slowly. Lucy, pang kahit na lang natin yan ha. Pang notice ha.
Malayo yung ibang
Okay, come notice. Ito yung caller. Pabong to si Makers ha. Pagka-engage natin, engage tayo now. West, northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest now. Now, come back notice now. Ukot. Pabong si Makers. Bok nyo, i-bed drag to si Makers. Nice. Kahit now. Keep walking notice.
3 seconds.
Keep walking notice.
Ready na.
Oh, help pa pro.
Ready.
West now shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now, 2. Nice! Is this back? Come notice. Mamamatay ko ulit. Kamis. Second now. Outnumbered. Wala kaming pake. Second now. Ready?
3 seconds.
Okay, now.
Ready now.
Tingin. Do you see me? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quality over quantity. Come notice.
Oy, DPS, don't roll.
Don't brawl!
Curse out.
Come west! Wow, we wipe them! Come west! We wipe them all! Come west! This is easy as fuck! Come west! Bonk Makers after
Medyo malayo
natin
kami,
mag-initiate
medyo malayo
ibonk nyo. Para di sila maka-counter-engage, ibonk nyo.
Medyo malayo DPS.
Ay, ka-GA.
Ayan.
Gilang. Nakikita ko.
Ito yung sa nag-GA.
Care is kiss.
Ay, notice! Come notice. Occult notice. North is in the east. Oh my god, mali occult pala yan. North.
Okay na.
Gilang. Oy, Ditangs, don't go do deep, guys. Walang mag-help sa inyo dyan. Ang layo ninyo sa akin. Ditang, kailangan dikit-dikit tayo. Dikit kayo sa akin, Ditang. Dikit kayo sa akin, please. Wala kayong didepet dyan.
Malalim ka na dyan,
Malalim masyado.
Ay, malalim ka na.
Wait lang, kamis. We need to kill this shit.
DPS on the heart.
Ay, malayo ka.
Come south now. Catch that. Oh my god, come on.
Backing out.
Sige lang. Engaging on me now. Ready?
Ready.
Looking.
5, 4, 3, 2. Now, come back. May break
Looking ang manifest.
Bong si Makers. Come notice. Keep walking notice, guys. Keep walking notice. Ibong si Makers. Come notice now. Keep walking notice. Ready, cool downs? Yan sa pro. Heal sa pro.
Nag-engage.
Engage on me now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me now.
Engaging.
Ang sakit. Come notice. Patay si Spike. Spike, he died.
Patay.
Oh my god, damnation to yun.
Seryo.
Si Ryu?
Oh, patay.
Kamis. Don't go.
Ready na,
Come here. Okay lang. Kamis. Dito, hold. Engage on me now. Ready na on me. Ready ko. Okay, walk slowly. Ready now in 5, 4, 3, 2. Now drop. Kill that motherfucker. Baka mamatay yan. Come back notice. Imagine na sa southeast. Depths, I need depths on the southeast. Cool down.
Ready na.
Come west. Engage in northwest now. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Now drop. Now come back. East. All the way east. East. Bonk them. The bonk that motherfucker. If you have Robot critic, bonk that shit. Nice.
2 seconds.
What?
Ready
I'm warping
agad.
up manifest. Warping up.
Don't go down, DPS. Stay with the heart.
Ay,
Holding
Nasasalt natin yung scab. Nasasalt yung scab.
Chinese lang talaga tumatalo sa akin, legit.
Southeast ka pa.
Okay, come southeast. Papatikman natin dito yung gusto na itong mga gagong dito sa south. Papantay northwest.
Sige, ako na start. Okay,
Ang lalim
this
ng
is-
iba mong
PBC.
Malalim. Come north, 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 come north.
Looking na to, Mark.
Forwarding.
Looking na,
Okay
looking na.
na.
Gilang. Come north, east. Uphill. On the way west now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Big. Oh my God.
What the fuck?
Kamis.
Looking top,
Kaya sa
looking
ta,
top.
kaya sa ta. Alis sa wall, alis sa wall.
Dali pa southwest. Sili up southwest. Oh my God, ang dami nagiging
Nagako.
issue. Gilang.
Ready, engage.
Cycle now. This one, tangin na malit eh. Tangin ng sabi dyan. Alam nila mas magaling tayo kaysa doon. Kaya inuuna tayo. Kamis now.
DPS, Heart.
It's 2v1 now. 2v1 na to. Hindi na to 1v1. 2v1 na. Kamis now. Suway, kaya mo mag-rigger? Malapit lang naman to eh. Hit lang.
Tama, empowering beam. Lucy?
Oh, empowering beam, Victor.
Wala si Lucy yung power din yata.
Hindi nagpapatay.
By the way, 20 minutes Aussie ah.
Hindi na papatayin dalawa. Pero tutulungan tayo, boss.
Malayos gusto nila.
Nagigil ako dito ah.
Ring west mo ha.
Okay na.
Kamis
Okay,
daw.
west mo.
Come southeast. Unahin natin manifest. Ayan o, sabi niya. Come southeast.
Bantayan pa sa.
Position na sila northwest.
Come
Wala.
southeast.
yung
Come
drone
southeast.
nyo,
Don't go
nasa
deep.
southeast.
Malalim masyado yung ditang. Malalim masyado dyan sa northwest. Ang lalim nyo dyan.
Engaging
Ang
sila.
lalim nyo dyan. Alis na
Engaging
southeast
sila.
kami.
Dalawa. Ayan.
Oy,
Engaging sila.
nag-engage. Come west now. Come west now. Keep walking lang. We have time. Oh my God, may bomb. Namatay kasi yun? Si Panipis buhay? No, it's okay. Come west. Engage yung on me now. Ready? Shallow lang. 5, 4, 3, 2. Stop now. Come back. Rigger, come back.
Engaging.
Kamis now. Rigger, come back. Oy, huwag kayong maglaro dyan. AFK. Okay lang yun kung mamamatay kayo. Ganun talaga. Di ko na rin nakita. 7.3 yun na Bridal Fury.
Badon daw. May nagbadon din, may badon.
Dalawa sila eh. Magkaib tayo pinagtutulungan nito. Kamis now. Ganyan nyo. Normal lang yung pagtulungan. Sanay na ako.
Talaga pag malakas.
Mas mo lalim.
Up sa dalawa.